Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to write our science test. So it's time for science revision. Children, there are 3 lessons: types of plants, what plants give us, and baby animals. Let's start the revision. Children, this is the pattern for September monthly test. Missing letters: choose, Phillips, match, name one, give 2 examples and answer the following. Children, now I am going to revise the important questions in these lessons. First one, missing letters. Then first, shrub, S-H-R-U-B, shrub. Second, colors, C-O-L-O-U-R-S, colors. Third one, pulses, P-U-L-S-E-S, pulses. Fourth, climber, C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. Fifth, spices, S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. Sixth one, wood, W-O-O-D, wood. Seventh one, medicines, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines. Eighth one, pouch, P-O-U-C-H, pouch. Then swim, S-W-I-M, swim, S-W-I-M, swim. Then 10th one, hold, H-O-L-D, hold. Choose the correct answer. First one, cooking oil is made from the seeds or leaves of the plant. Children, how can we make this cooking oil? Yes, it is made from the seeds of the plant. Second, banyan or palm trees do not have branches. Which trees do not have branches? Yes, palm tree. Then third, herb or shrub is a small plant with soft stem. Which plant is small, children, have soft stem? Yes, herb is a small plant with soft stem. Then chocolate is made from coffee or cocoa. You all know chocolate is made from cocoa. Then kangaroos carry their babies in their back or pouch. Where they carries their babies? Yes, kangaroo carry their babies in their pouch. Then coffee is made from seeds or leaves. Coffee is made from seeds. Then climbers or trees have weak stem. Which have weak stem, children? Climbers or trees? Yes, climbers. We know trees have thick stem. Then 8th one, cotton or wood is used to make clothes. Which is used to make clothes? Yes, cotton is used to make clothes. Then kittens and pups are born with their eyes closed or open. They born with their eyes closed. Then 10th one, carrot or apple is a root vegetable. Which is a root vegetable, children? Yes, carrot. Next one, fill in the blanks. First one, dash plant is the largest herb in the world. Which plant is the largest herb, children? Yes, banana plant. Second one, dash make food tastier and smell better. Which make food tastier and smell better? Yes, spices. Then third one, dash is made from the seeds of plants. Okay, which is made from the seeds of plants? Cooking oil is made from the seeds of plants. Then fourth one, dash is made from the chips of wood. Which is made from the chips of wood, children? Yes, paper is made from the chips of wood. Then dash is made from the leaves and buds of tea plants. Okay, which is made from the leaves and buds of tea plants? Yes, tea. Then dash fixes the plant into the soil. Which part of the plant fixes the plant into the soil? Yes, root. Then tiger calves feed on their mother's milk. Then baby monkeys cling to their mother's neck, or where they will cling? Yes, their back. Then plants give us most of the dash we eat. Plants give us most of the food we eat. Then next one, baby elephants are looked after by their mothers and aunts. Baby elephants are looked after by their mothers and aunts. Match the following. Match the animals with their young ones. Cow, calf. Cow, calf. Horse, colt. Horse, colt. Squirrel, pup. Squirrel, pup. Bird, chick. Bird, chick. Sheep, lamb. Sheep, lamb. Tiger, cub. Tiger, cub. Pig, piglet. Pig, piglet. Goat, kid. Goat, kid. Next, name one. Children, you can write any one answer for each question. First one, a seed we use as a spice. You can write cumin seed or mustard seed. Second one, a root vegetable. Children, there are more root vegetables are there. Carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, etc. You can write any one of these. Then third, a plant whose leaves we eat. Okay, some plants leaf we eat as vegetables. They are cabbage, spinach, lettuce, coriander, etc. Then fourth, animal feed their mother's milk. Most of the animals feed their mother's milk. They are cat, dog, zebra, tiger, deer, etc. You can write your own answer. Then fifth, a fruit we eat as vegetable. Some fruit we eat as vegetables. They are tomato, brinjal, capsicum, bitter gourd, lady's finger, etc. Sixth one, a seed we eat as nut. They are peanut, almond, groundnut, walnut, etc. Then 7, a seed that gives us oil. Coconut, sunflower, groundnut, etc. You can write any one of these. Next one, give 2 examples. Children, you want to write any 2 examples for each one. Then first one, herbs. You know what are herbs? Herbs are small plants with soft and thin stem. Example, tulasi, mint. Second one, trees. Trees are tall plants with strong and woody stem. Example, mango tree, neem tree. Third, shrub. Shrub are small and bushy plants with strong stem. Example, rose, cotton. Next one, climber. Plants have weak stem that need a support to grow. They are money plant, grapevine. Then next one, creeper. Creeper also have weak stem. They creeps along the ground. Example, watermelon, pumpkin. Answer the following. Children, learn and revise all these questions as I given in the revision link. And try to write the answers in a rough note without any mistakes. Children, use 192 pages science test note to write your test. Then first you want to write the index. Number 2, unit test 2. Then take a new page. On the top you want to write your name and class. Then science, next line, September monthly test. Then leave one line and start the test. You all know how to write test. Children, try to avoid mistakes and write your test very neatly with legible handwriting. No need to copy the question. All the best, children. Thank you.